Have you gotten this down? When do I want this piece of work? Tomorrow. Very good. Now, have you look at question number 10 now, all of you? Now, this is the other way round now. And students, usually when I fill this way up, it's okay. But I give you the other way round, it's not okay. So let's have a look at this. The graph of y equals to x minus h squared plus k has a minimum point at negative half 3/4. State the values of h and of k. Now, do you agree this is the other way around? Usually we complete the square, then we get the minimum point. Now they give you the minimum point, ask you for the division. Agree? Okay, now all of you look at everybody knows that this one must be 3/4. Agree? Everybody clear? Now, this h is actually negative half. Not negative half. It should be a what? This one is x. This answer of x must be negative half, right? Do you all agree? Then become a negative h square, right? Agree, class? I'm talking to you. Do you understand? Okay, let me just ask you a question. If I have this, what is the minimum point? Negative 3 and 4, right? How do you get negative? Make sure this is 0, right? Agree, class? Correct. Okay. Now, if this is negative half, right? Can you see the answer there is negative half? This one must be what? Positive half or negative half? This whole thing must be positive half. Then this h must be negative half. Yes. Because this is a negative, you know. Do you agree with what I'm talking about? Yes or no? Okay, I repeat. Negative half, right? I have a negative h then square, right? Then plus 3/4, correct? That's why I want to show you this. This one actually must be a half plus half, then I'll get 0. I'm talking to you. Correct? That means negative h must be half, right? Correct. What is h? H must be negative half. Can you see what am I talking about here? Yes or no? Okay. Likewise, I say this one, all of you look up. Same thing, just that now is they put the minus there a little. If I say and the minimum point is this, what is my B? Follow. Alright? What is my A? Of course it's 3 because this one got to be negative 3. Can you see it? Just that now they are very lucky. They give you a negative. Do you understand what I'm talking about? A negative gives you positive. That is the problem. Okay, so what is my value of h and k? So from here, what's the value of h? Yes. H is negative half and k will be 3/4. Now, if you are confused in the exam, you go and write down this one somewhere. Then you will not be confused. Do you understand what I'm talking about here? Because do you know why I want to give you this? Because a lot of students can see forward and not see backwards. Understand? 10 or 10. Forwards. Okay? Alright, now, next one. So, what do we have here? Next one. Hence, sketch the graph of this, indicating the coordinates of the point of intersection of the graph with the y-axis. Okay. Now, if you look at this one, right, it will be y equals to x minus half square plus 3/4, right? This will be my equation, right? Okay, everybody look up here. U or N? U or N? Clarence? U. Now, for the x-intercept, that means because it must be equal to 0, right? Correct? When when y is 0. Do you agree that I will have this equals to negative 3/4? Then what is this? No? No solution or no? Real rule is that this will be hanging in the air, right? How about the y-intercept? When x is 0, I will get y equals to, when this is 0, this will become 1/4, right? 1/4 plus 3/4, 1, right? Okay, now what is my minimum point? Half and 3/4, okay? Half and 3/4, so it will be this. Not half. Is it half? It's my minimum. It's my mistake, right? It should be a plus, right? Correct. Yeah. My mistake. Yeah, thank you. Okay. All of you look up here. Do you see that just now I made a mistake here? It should be a plus half, right? Yeah, I know. Later I'll change it. It's not easy wrong. Do you agree that this is a plus half? Yeah, talking to you. Okay, see here. Plus half, because here, okay? So plus half. So this one will become what? Negative half 3/4, am I right? So it will be this side. Can you see? Can you see? Yes. Why must it be equals to 0? Because, okay, that one I will cover it in A next. Because I want to talk about maximum and minimum point. Yes? Okay. Okay, since you are here, right, you want to ask this question. If you want to come in first, then answer that question. Okay, you want to please come first. Understand, right? How many cannot understand? Can, okay. Now, I'll answer what the person asked me. I'm going to show you both maximum and minimum value. Why is it a maximum and minimum value? But I want to write it in another way. Okay, after computer square form, you can do it, alright? Okay. Now, class, do you agree this is a minimum term? Do you agree it's a minimum term? Okay. With minimum point what? 3, 4. Why is it? I must make it 0, right? I'm asking. Now, I can write this in another way, right? Do you all agree? Do you all agree? I'm not changing anything, I'm just changing the form. Now, do you agree that something square must always be positive? So this is actually the minimum value when this is 0. You get what I'm talking about here? When this is 3, this is 0, this is the minimum value, right? Any other value is going up. That's why it's the minimum value. That's why I want to make it 0. You understand? Okay, now then I show you the maximum. Can I pick out this purple thing again? Now, I show you the maximum. Why is it called the maximum value? This is an action term, right? Alright, now I want to rewrite it. Hannah, do you agree that it must be 6 maximum? Because when this is 2, it will be 6. If it's other value, I will always minus something. Because it's a square, it's always positive. Therefore, it will always be less than 6. Agree what I'm talking about. That's why the curve will go like this. Clear now? Clear now? Okay, you know why? When we write like that, usually people higher, higher. Now look at this one. This is what? 6 minus something. Provided this is 0, then it will be 6, you know. If this is something from number, you will be always less than 6. Okay. That's why the computer platform is very nice. You can see the maximum and minimum straight away. Are we clear now? Are we clear now? So sometimes you see if it's like that cannot see right, you try it right and see whether you can see. Okay, and thank God. This one is squared. Because any number will become positive. Other than 0. That's all. Correct? Inside, be it positive, be it negative, when you square it's positive, right? Correct? That's why you have a minimum curve and a maximum curve. Everybody clear now? Everybody clear now? Can right? No problem, right? Okay, good. Alright, now this one will be further illustrated in AMAX. Okay. Now, next. I'm going on to real world context. Problems in real world context, okay? Can we look at page 29? Okay? Now, for problems in real world context, there is always 3 steps. Okay? Number 1. Let the unknown be X or Y or whatever you like. Okay? Unless the question is specified. Number 2. Solve the equation. Solve the equation and solve. If you cannot form the equation, you cannot solve. Do you understand? Okay? Part 3, step number 3. Answer the question. It's like a comprehension passage like that, but you're answering it mathematically, that's all. Understand? Because sometimes the X answer is not the answer that you want. Do you understand? It's something else. Okay? Now, in O-level, there are also time question and truer question. Okay, what do you mean by that? Sometimes you give one whole lump of equation, form the equation and solve. And just form and solve. But some time question will say, show that the equation reduces to this. Remember the section also have, right? Show that the equation reduces to this. After that, then you solve. So, even if you cannot show, right, what is solve the equation, it's confirmed correct, right? If you show, they won't ask you now. Alright, so you just miss out the first few marks, the rest still can get. Everybody clear with what I'm saying? Okay? Cannot form, don't force yourself, just solve it, get the last few marks. Understand? Don't everything blank, expect me to give the blank marks some blank space some marks. Well, because it's very clean, no green, so I give 1 mark. No. Okay? And some people say, can I have sympathy marks? I got write my name in. Then I think I must minus anger mark also now. I see empty, I get angry, so I minus off. You know the front table? I must add angry. Then I minus 1. Okay, why? Because very angry mark. Or disappointed. But some people write the name cannot see, right? So disappointed. Very disappointed, so minus 2 marks. Okay? Alright. So there are 3 steps. Let the unknown be something, form the equation and solve. Last part is answer the question. Standard. Any problem solving is like that. Clear? Okay, now I'm not going to go into detail how to solve the equation and so on. Okay, now let's look at example 14. I'm straight away going to solve the equation. Let's go. The owner of a piece of land wishes to build a fence along his perimeter. On a map with a scale of 1:2000. The piece of land is in the shape of a right-angled triangle with sides of length, and Alright? They show you again. X here, X plus 6 here, 2x plus 5 here. Okay? Write down an equation to represent this information and show that it simplifies to this. Now, by looking at the picture, you know you have to use Pythagoras theorem. Can you see it? Pythagoras theorem. Now, if let's say they never draw any diagram, look up. I have x Which one is the hypo? S plus 4. Hypo must be the longest. Is that clear? Hypo must be the longest. Okay, now all of you look up now. I'm going to form the same the Pythagoras theorem. X squared plus x plus 6 squared equals to 2x plus 5 squared, right? Correct, plus. I'm going to do the expansion. Correct? So the come up. Correct? A squared plus 2ab plus b squared, right? Okay, now next one. 2x squared plus 12x plus 36 equals to 4x squared plus 20x plus 25. Now I'm going to shift everything over this side. Minus 2x squared minus 12x minus 36 equals to 0, right? Right. What is left here? 2x squared plus 8x minus what? 11 equals to 0. Is it there already? Show that it simplifies to this. Is it shown? Yes. So you write down there. Show. Not show. If I do not show here, then. But it's better. Mathematically, it's better presentation. Show. Understand? Okay. Then what is the next question? What did they say? Solve the equation. Okay. Solve the equation. Solve. X equals to minus b plus minus square root b squared take away 4ac over 2a. What's here? What's here? 8 here. 8 then 2 negative 11 2, right? All of you key for me. What is inside this bracket? 1 152 okay over 4. 5 truncate for me please. I don't want the textbook answer. It's 3SF. I want 5 truncate. First answer. Okay? 1.081. 2, 2. And then right? Truncate this cut off. Or what's the other one? Hello here. 8, 4, 2. Correct? Okay. Now, when they say solve, you must show over. Understand? But final answer must be 3 same thing. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Okay. Now, look at the next part. Expand one of the solutions in part 2 must be rejected as the length of one side of the triangle. Which one is rejected? Negative. Because this length cannot be negative. Everybody clear? Yes or no? Okay, then I want to ask a question. Does it mean that all negative answers will be rejected? No, necessarily. Not necessarily. Okay. Let me just show you. Supposing this is 5 minus x. Blah blah blah. 5 minus x, okay. Maybe this is 2x plus 10 or whatever. Okay, then this is x plus okay, maybe 10 minus x or whatever. Okay, and my x, hello, my x happens to be negative 2. Do you think it will be rejected? No, it's okay. If it's negative 2, this is still positive, no? But because it's wrong, can you see it's wrong already? Because the longer side will be the hypo. But 5 plus 2 is 7. Here, 10 plus 2 is 12. Do you understand what I'm talking about? It doesn't mean that when it's negative, it's rejected. You've got to look at the context of the question. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Yes or no? In this particular context, I have this particular triangle. Okay? So, therefore, the negative one will be rejected. Because what would you say as the reason? Length must be positive, or length must be bigger than square. Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay, alright, now last part. Hence, find the actual length in meters of the fence needed. Now, this comes the most difficult part. Because last year you also did. Do you do similarity? Area scale, linear scale, 1 is to something. Okay, now, what's the meaning of 1 is to 2,000? They want it in meters. This one means 1 cm represent 2,000 cm. If they give you like that, this same units. 1 is 2,000 cm, how many meters? 20 meters, right? Alright, that means 1 cm on the ground is 20 meters on the, right? 1 cm on the map is 20 meters on the ground. Right? Okay, now, so all of you look up. Perimeter must be 2x plus 5 plus x plus x plus 6, right? This is your perimeter, correct? I add up all the sides. Correct, my class? I'm talking to you, no? Because if you make a mistake in the substitution, or you make the mistake in not truncating or what, much really better. Okay, so 4x plus 11, is it correct? Okay, so it will be 4. Now, I sub in which one? You must sub in this one. 1.0822. Not this one. It must be the point truncate. Do you understand? Because it's the working. So 1.0822. Okay. Use your calculator. What's this? Answer? 15.3288. Is this correct? So, CM. Right. I'm going to show you now. 1 cm represent 20 meters. So 15.3288 cm represent 15.3288 times 20. Okay. Use your calculator.
306.57.
How many meters here? 306.576. Now, final answer is not exact, must be given what? 3 centimeter figure. So it's 307. Are we clear? Are we clear? Are we clear? Now, I want to introduce to you one method that is very effective from set 1 onwards. Okay, it's for direct proportion. I'm going to clean out this. Okay, all look at the board now. Hello, hello. If I have 4 apples, is $8. I know one apple is $2. I know, okay. How to get 7 apples? It's actually 8 divided by 4 times 7, right? Correct? This one will give you the cost of 1 apple, then it's times 7. It's always this over this times this. Correct? You must make sure it's apple, apple, dollar, dollar. This is also true when it is like foreign exchange. Singapore dollar, Canadian dollar. Understand? This over this times this, but you must start them up properly. Understand? This is called the unit method. Like I find 1, then I times 7. Everybody clear? Okay. Likewise, here also can. 20 over 1 times this. Can you see it's the same? Everybody okay? 20 over 1 is 20 also. I need to do. Everybody okay? Can or cannot? Can or cannot? I'll give you the free one first. Okay. Now, next one. Example 15 and example 16. I will do it tomorrow. Is that clear? Okay. I'll just stop the video.